Imagine this. You've done everything. You're looking good, being kind, supportive, and always there for him. But somehow, he's just not as drawn to you as you expected. You ask yourself, what am I doing wrong? Well, here's the truth. Attraction isn't just about being nice or pretty. Today, we're unlocking the 7 subtle moves backed by psychology that will activate his desire and make you the woman he can't stop thinking about. Hello and welcome back to Psychology Wisdom, the place where you learn to decode relationships, attraction, and connection. If you've ever felt invisible in a man's mind, or like your efforts aren't being appreciated, this video is for you. Today I'll show you exactly how to stand out effortlessly and make him crave your presence like never before. Make sure to watch all the way to the end because there's something special I'm saving for you. It's the ultimate secret that ties everything together and you don't want to miss it. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button to help this video reach more people who need this advice. And let's make this interactive. Comment below and tell me, what's the one quality you think makes someone truly unforgettable? I'd love to hear your thoughts. All right, let's get started. Attraction isn't just about looks or personality traits. In fact, a study from the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships revealed that men tend to gravitate towards women who display certain subtle behaviors. The problem is that most women are unaware of these behaviors, and they end up doing things that push men away rather than draw them in. For example, constantly seeking reassurance, being overly available, or waiting for him to make all the first moves. You might be thinking, but I'm doing everything right. I'm loyal, caring, and I'm always there for him. And while those are incredible qualities, they're not necessarily what activates his desire. What activates his desire is a bit more subtle, and once you know it, it's like having a secret superpower. If you keep doing the same thing, you'll keep getting the same result. But if you learn a few simple moves, backed by psychology and real-world experience, you can flip the script. You'll become the woman who stays on his mind long after he's seen you. Here's something most people won't tell you. Men desire women who make them feel something. If he's bored, if it's predictable, or if he doesn't experience those emotional highs and lows, he won't feel the need to chase. That's why so many women feel like they're invisible in a man's mind. In a study by Psychology Today, men were asked about their most memorable encounters with women. It wasn't physical appearance that ranked highest, it was moments of emotional intensity and unexpected connection. Men remember the woman who made him feel alive. Think about your favorite romantic movies. It's not just about beauty, it's about energy. Take The Notebook, for example. The characters weren't perfect, but their playful teasing, their unpredictability, and their intense eye contact created chemistry that couldn't be ignored. Now think about your own experiences. Have you ever had a moment where you felt truly seen and desired by someone? If so, it probably wasn't just because of how you looked that day. It was likely because of something you did that made him feel something powerful. If you don't master these moves, you risk being just another nice woman he forgets. But with them, you become unforgettable. This is the part you've been waiting for. These moves aren't gimmicks. They're based on behavioral psychology and what's actually proven to work. Number 1. The power of playful teasing. Playful teasing triggers a man's dopamine system, which is directly tied to desire. According to a study published in the Journal of Interpersonal Relations, humor and playful teasing create emotional highs that men seek out over and over again. Instead of always giving straightforward compliments, try a playful challenge. For example, if he says, "I'm really good at pool," you reply, "Oh yeah? I bet I could beat you in 3 shots." If he's wearing a bold color, say, "Wow, you're brave for pulling off that color." It makes the interaction fun and unpredictable, which makes him crave more of it. You're no longer just another woman being nice. You're the one sparking excitement. Number 2, the art of extended eye contact. Eye contact is one of the most primal triggers of desire. Studies from Harvard University show that gazing into someone's eyes for longer than 7 seconds creates an intense emotional connection, even if no words are spoken. When you're talking to him, don't break eye contact too quickly. Hold it for just a second or two longer than normal. Want to take it to the next level? Do a triangle gaze. Look at one eye, then his other eye, then his lips, and repeat. It's subtle, but powerfully effective. This lights up the part of his brain that controls attraction. He may not even know why he's feeling it, but he will. Number 3, use the power of mystery. Don't reveal everything. Men are hardwired to pursue. If they have nothing to pursue, they lose interest. In a case study from relationship science, it was found that people who felt a sense of mystery around a person were 27% more likely to think about them frequently. Don't share every detail of your life too quickly. If he asks about your weekend, give a playful answer like, "It was interesting. I'll tell you about it later." Be a little unpredictable with your availability. If he texts, don't always respond immediately. When you introduce a hint of unpredictability, his mind stays engaged with you. People crave closure, and when he doesn't get all the details, his brain keeps thinking about you. Number 4, subtle physical touch. Humans crave physical connection. Research from the Touch Research Institute found that even a brief touch on the arm increases oxytocin, the bonding hormone tied to emotional attachment and desire. Brush his arm when you laugh, tap his shoulder to get his attention, or accidentally let your hands touch when handing him something. These small moments of physical touch spark his brain's reward system. It tells him, "I like this feeling. I want more of it." Number 5, confident body language. Men are visual creatures. Confidence is magnetic. When you walk into a room, you're already making a statement before you say a word. Posture, movement, and presence are everything. Walk with your head high and shoulders back. Avoid fidgeting. Use slow, deliberate movements instead of quick, nervous ones. According to body language expert Dr. Albert Merabian, 55% of communication is nonverbal. If your body radiates confidence, he will feel it before you even speak. Number 6, the unexpected compliment. Most men don't receive compliments as often as women do, which makes your words hit even harder. According to research by HuffPost, 72% of men said they still remember a specific compliment they received years ago. Instead of saying, "You look good today," try something more unique like, "The way you handled that situation was really impressive," or "There's something about your energy today. I can't quite put my finger on it, but I like it." This creates a unique emotional imprint in his mind. He'll replay it in his head for days. Number 7, use the power of silence. Silence is often seen as awkward or uncomfortable, but in reality, it's one of the most underrated tools of seduction. When you allow moments of quiet to linger, it creates an irresistible pull. This is because humans are naturally wired to avoid silence in conversations. People feel a subconscious urge to fill the gap, and guess who usually fills it? Him. This simple psychological trigger forces him to re-engage with you. According to a study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, people who allow silence in conversations are perceived as more confident and mysterious. This mystery creates a sense of curiosity, which is the first step toward attraction. If you can master this, you become the woman he can't quite figure out, and that's exactly what keeps you on his mind. Next time you're talking with him and there's a pause, don't rush to fill it. Smile softly, maintain eye contact, and let the silence stretch for a few seconds longer than usual. Avoid fidgeting or looking away. Just stay present. This subtle act will make him feel like he needs to say something, and when he does, he's more emotionally invested. Want to make it even more powerful? Pair the silence with a playful, knowing smile. This creates tension, the positive kind that sparks chemistry and desire. Now that you've learned these 7 powerful moves, it's time to put them into action and see the difference for yourself. Remember, it's not about changing who you are, it's about highlighting your natural charm in a way that creates powerful, unforgettable connections. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Psychology Wisdom for more relationship tips and psychological insights. And I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know. Which move are you most excited to try first? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.